Hey, good morning guys. Guess what we're up to? We're gonna have us a good breakfast here this morning. So let's take a look. Look at that nice T-bone steak and eggs. And then we'll get going. I've decided, you know what, let's go have me a good breakfast instead of taking off too early, right? It is time to get on down the road, guys. Time to get out of here. We wasted enough time in here. Yes, we did. Oh well. That's how it goes sometimes. We worked super hard yesterday. So I decided, you know what? Since I worked so hard, I'm gonna relax a little bit this morning. And that's exactly what we did. I went ahead and took me a shower last night, which I really needed it. Put a video together, rendered it, uploaded it to YouTube, scheduled my video, did all that stuff. Completely forgot last night to update my website, so I did it this morning. Now we got all that stuff taken care of. Had me breakfast as you saw this morning. And then I went and fueled up, did my pre-trip and all that. And here we are, hammer down time. We got 628 miles to my customer. And it is already 8 o'clock Eastern time, but you know what? I don't care. I could have gotten going an hour and a half ago already. But like I said, I was really hungry this morning. I didn't even go in and have supper last night. I wasn't really hungry last night, so you know what? I decided probably better not to go in and have supper last night. I figured I'll do that this morning. I'll have a good breakfast instead this morning. And so that's what we went ahead and did. So now we gotta hammer down over there. I'm gonna call the customer later on throughout the day. And I'm gonna find out if I can park there at their facility. If I can, then I'm just going to hammer down all the way down to them, and then I'll be there ready for them in the morning. If not, oh well. I'm going to take my break and then go over there in the morning. So dispatch asked me yesterday if I would be able to make it there tomorrow by 7 a.m. in the morning, and I told him right on the phone, I said it's going to be a tight one. I didn't think I could make it. But then after I got going and all that stuff, after I picked up my load, I was thinking about it, and I could have done it probably, possibly, by tomorrow 7 a.m. But, you know, since I decided this morning to take it easy a little bit, it'd be even harder to do it now, but it would have been possible. It might still be possible. We'll see. You know, you got to think about it. In Canada, we're only required to take an 8-hour break, so yeah, I might be able to, you know, just take an 8-hour break and still go over there and be there for 7 in the morning. But we'll see. If I get there around 8 o'clock tonight, that still leaves me until 6 o'clock. I would have my 10-hour break, so yeah, I might still be able to pull it off. We'll see. That will mean I just have to keep her pretty steady today, but yeah, that's alright, right? Nothing wrong with that. I do that on a daily basis, right? Keep that left door closed and hammer down, right? So let's continue on with our journey, guys, and see what happens today. I think we have gone a good while by now. We already got about 2 hours and 45 minutes behind us, so we are getting closer and closer to where we gotta take our half-an-hour break. Well, we don't have to, but I like to take my half-an-hour break after about 3 to 3.5 hours worth of driving, so that way it kind of, you know, makes it in sections, you know, like if I drive about 3.5 hours, if I do another 3.5 hours, that brings it up to about 7 hours. If I do another 3.5 hours, that brings it up to about 10.5 hours, right? So it kind of breaks it up in good sections, in my opinion, you know. So about 3.5 to 3 3/4 hours is kind of about halfway point. That way you do 2 stops throughout the day, and it doesn't make it too long of a day, right? If you drive like 5-6 hours, you know, it starts getting a bit long, and it's also recommended that you stop a little bit more often even than that, to just get the blood flowing through your legs a little bit. They say truck drivers have a little bit of an issue with, if you sit for so long, your blood is not flowing through your legs properly. So it's a good recommendation to get out of your truck and do a little bit of walking around a couple of times throughout your trip, you know. But anyways, I don't know why my GPS is saying 55 speed limit up here. Speed limit coming up right here, and it's saying 70, so I don't get it. I guess they had construction at one point over here. I had slowed down here a minute ago because it said speed warning, so I slowed down. I didn't see any slower signs, but
speed warning.
See, now I just bumped it up again and saying speed warning, but you saw the sign right there, it said 70, right? So I guess they had construction here. I remember them having construction up here in some areas, and I guess the GPS is updated to that now. That's why it's probably saying 55 speed limit for up here. But yeah, we just saw the sign, so we're gonna do 62 again. Well, yeah, we still have 463 miles to our delivery. Still haven't called the customer to find out what the deal is there, but we'll do that yet. Anyways, we'll continue on cruising along here. We have already passed Cleveland. No traffic to speak of at all. At least I didn't have any slowdowns whatsoever, so we're good to go. I have already made it onto I-81 northbound and down, ladies and gentlemen. We stopped earlier to take our half-an-hour break and all that. Called up the customer, and the customer said, yeah, no problem. I could not park there overnight, but I could not park there overnight, but I could come in at 7 o'clock for 7 o'clock, so no problem there. And they said it would take about 2.5 hours to unload me, so yeah, it's going to take a little while to get me offloaded, but that's actually in all reality not too bad for the product that I got on here. Usually it takes between 4 and 5 hours to get me offloaded with the product that I got. But we'll see what happens tomorrow, right? It could take longer, you never know. But anyways, we're probably only about 80 miles away from hitting the border, and then we'll be in Canada. So that'll make me happy. I know there is a truck stop close by there where I deliver, not too far anyway, so I looked that up already. So we're gonna go down on there and see what happens. Kind of curious to see what kind of reload I'll get out of that area, because we usually don't go to that area very much, so who knows what kind of reload I'll get. I wouldn't mind getting a reload going home from there. That way I get home and I can just do a reset and go again. But we'll see. We'll keep our fingers crossed and see what happens. Even if I have to go up to Toronto and then go home, I wouldn't mind that either. Here we go, guys. We are getting over the big bridge up here.
State border ahead.
And yeah, you heard it. Just state border ahead, right? So we are just about to get into Canada, ladies and gentlemen. We had to pay a little bit of a toll here to cross this bridge, but yeah, well, it was only $11 US. It's not too bad, I guess you could say. But yeah, here we are, just cruising along. We got 93 more miles till we get to our customer, so yeah, this is a fairly steep bridge. I've seen that before. I've been across here once or twice before, so but it's been a good while, right? So yeah, we'll get on down across here, and it's a little bit of a wobbly bridge, it feels like. Yeah, oh well, we're over it now, on a down path now, so Anyways, we'll be in Canada here in a minute, so I guess we'll go see customs, and hopefully they let us back into the country, and we'll be alright. It's starting to get dark now, so probably won't be videotaping too much after this, probably. Our day is done, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, it's been done for a good while. We already had a good night's sleep, and it's actually the next morning, and we already went over to the customer and got offloaded. And I got busy rendering all my previous day's videos and all that, so I didn't even put my closure in yet. So now we are offloaded. I went back over here and got me a Timmy's. Yes, indeed, I did. So let's get out of here, guys. We got us a reload to go pick up. So I got me my Timmy's. I ran over there real quick, got me a Timmy's and a sandwich there. So roll up to win is in effect right now. So wish me luck with winning something. So far I've got nothing. I went down there last night. Play again. Like, really? Come on, let me win at least a donut or something, right? But no, can't win nothing. But oh well. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching my today's vlog. Come back in tomorrow's video and find out where we're going. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.